Hi, I'm Megan. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take you through a pose called Birds of Paradise today, and we'll break it down for you. This is a pose that's more of an advancement, and you can take this pose from a bow side angle if you have a really strong bow angle in, say, like a float one in our Hot Power series. So let's start. We'll break down the posture. From a warrior two, your stance is wide. You feel that your front hip is fairly open. You're going to gently drop the right hand down to the inside of the foot. Turn the gaze up. If you're feeling a lot of pain or pressure in your hip here, this is all you can do. If you'd like to go a little bit deeper, take the top arm around for a wrap. If you have a fairly decent wrap, you feel like that top shoulder is not closing in, then go ahead and release the bottom hand. Try to thread the bottom hand underneath the right thumb. Eventually, the fingertips will cross. Inhale, take the gaze up, draw the belly in, roll the shoulders away from each other as much as possible. To move into birds, take your gaze forward. Pivot onto the ball of your back foot, and start to step up. It might take 2, maybe 3 steps, that's fine. Allow your feet to come down, hip width apart. My eyes will take focus onto one point. Rise into the ball of your right foot. Shift the weight into the left. Draw the belly in and begin to rise up to standing. Start standing really tall. Find your sheer or focal point. Press down to the standing foot. Roll the shoulders back. If you still have the bind and there's no bend in the standing leg, then slowly begin to kick through the right. The right leg will lift up, flex the foot. Spread the toes, inhale, lift the chest, open the heart, slowly come out. Just the same way you came in. Plant the right foot, step your left foot back. You find yourself in a bound side angle. Look up, rise back up, warrior two. With the other hands down, take it back, rest. Raise the left leg. Bend the knee, pull here. Step forward and rise up to warrior one. Exhale down, inhale, lengthen. Warrior two, leg open, arms in one line, look forward. Reverse warrior, flip the palm, reach, and extend. Find warrior two. Look to the back. Bend your left forearm to your left leg. Inhale, reach the right arm. Into your arm forward, bicep to right. Look down. Right hand down. Pivot onto the ball of your back foot. Inhale, left arm up. Look up. Take it for a wrap. Draw the belly in. Look up. Release. Both hands down to the inside edge of your left foot. You can wiggle the left foot off of it. Drop down to your forearms. You can stay high with the back toes or lower down to the knee at any time. Exhale, release the head. Straighten your arms. Plant your back heel down. Left hand stays, right arm reaches, look up. Take it for a wrap. You can bind if you like. If you have a confident bind and the shoulders are open, then you'll move forward to Birds of Paradise. If you're not moving on, find a high lunge. If you are moving on to birds, look forward, step up. Right foot to left. If you have the twist, go ahead and take it for a deeper twist, elbow to knee. For bird, shift your weight into the right, slowly rise up. You want to ensure you have a lengthened spine, draw the belly in, shoulders back. To move on, simply straighten the top leg, kick through the toes, inhale, gaze on one spot. Everyone release, look down, step back. If you're in birds, simply plant the palms, go back to plank, let's flow. Exhale, inhale, breathe up. Exhale, soften back, downward dog, child's pose.
tell me all of your doubt, and everybody bleeds this way, just the same. Breathe in, breathe out, move on and break.
Oh, bountiful, pull it back and let it go, like ocean wave, we're powerful, constellation magical. So this love still holds true. Now what you gonna do? I won't give up on you, I won't give up on you. Between the moon and sun, this life is never done. I won't give